Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we will introduce how to set up and manage the coordinate system in the DJI Enterprise app using the D-RTK 3 Rover station for mapping. In the DJI Enterprise app, connect to the D-RTK 3 Rover station. Tap the Rover station icon to enter the RTK data source configuration page. After confirming the RTK configuration, go to the main page. Tap Manage Coordinate System on the left to enter the Coordinate System Management page. Tap Create, then select Universal Coordinate System or Custom Coordinate System in the pop-up window. If you select Universal Coordinate System, you can choose a coordinate system included in the database by its standard name or EPSG code. After selection, modify the coordinate system name and tap Confirm to complete the setup. If you select Custom Coordinate System, fill in the ellipsoid parameters, projection parameters, central meridian, reference latitude, false northing, false easting, scale, and other relevant information on the Custom Coordinate System settings page. If the Custom Coordinate System uses 7 parameters, enable the 7 parameters option and enter the X, Y, and Z translations, X, Y, and Z rotations, and the scale parameter. If the coordinate system has an elevation offset relative to the ellipsoid, enable elevation offset and enter the fixed differential translation. Modify the coordinate system name and tap Confirm to complete the custom coordinate system settings. If you need to modify certain parameters, you can create a copy of the custom coordinate system and make changes as needed. When creating a new task, you can select a coordinate system from the list as needed, and then tap Confirm. Choose the coordinate format as either planar or geodetic according to the task requirements. After starting the task, the point coordinates will be displayed in the selected target coordinate system. During the task, you can adjust the coordinate system parameters and coordinate format at any time through the edit icon at the top. After completing the point marking task, tap More and select View Task Report. In the task configuration settings, select the coordinate system for exporting data. To adjust the point coordinate format, select either planar or geodetic as the task format. Tap Export. The task report will include both planar and geodetic coordinate results. The JSON file can be imported into DJI Terra for quick point identification. For universal planar coordinate systems, the exported JSON file will automatically match the corresponding planar coordinate system format in DJI Terra upon import. Thank you for watching.